Okay, when solving for tangent problems, we need to recall that tangent is equivalent to sine over cosine. So the first thing we do on these problems is we sketch the angle, figure out where 7 pi over 3 is located. All the way around is 6 over 3, so another 1/3 puts us at 7 over 3. Make your angle, drop your triangle, label the reference angle. This would be 60 degrees because of the 3. Opposite the 60 is square root of 3 over 2, which means the other leg is the 1/2. Sine is the y value. The y value is the square root of 3 over 2. So we put that value on top of cosine, which is the 1/2. And we simplify that to the square root of 3. That's the solution to A. On B, go to negative 5 pi, so heading in this direction. Here's negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pi is located here. This does not require a triangle or a reference angle. That coordinate point is key to our solution. First identify that coordinate point, negative 1, 0. Recognize which one is sine and which one is cosine. Cosine is the x value and sine is the y value, and then put sine on top of cosine. And since 0 is in the numerator, the answer to this problem is just 0. On C, we locate 3 pi over 4. That's here in quadrant 2. Because it's a 4, our reference angle is a 45. Because it's a 45, we know both of our legs are square root of 2 over 2. This one happens to be negative. Put sine on top of cosine. And simplify it. Anything divided by itself is 1, so a positive divided by a negative, negative 1. 3 pi over 2 is straight down. That coordinate point is 0, negative 1. Sine is the negative 1. Cosine is the 0. Putting sine on top of cosine. Anything divided by 0, we are going to call undefined. So there's 4 examples. So I'm going to throw up problem number 2. It has 2 samples. Copy those down really fast. Press pause if you need more time. Otherwise, here are the solutions to those. On this particular one, the negative 1/2 went on top of the square root of 3 over 2. If you were to drop the 2's, you're left with 1 over root 3, which you'd have to make legal. That process is multiplying it by a fancy form of 1, which would get you negative root 3 over root 9, or just 3. And that would be your solution. Okay, here's problem number 3. If you need more time, press pause right now, jot that down. Otherwise, here's the solution. And there is problem number 3.